Oh, we just lost our power. And this is what's happening outside right now. Ow! 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 Fuck me running, right? Woo! Yeah! Go fuck yourself, weather. Eat a dick, you bitch. God damn it. Holy fuck. Oh, that just happened. Never a dull moment, folks. And it's gone. See if I can catch one. Oh, almost. There we go. Yeah, that's fun. Look at all that shit. It just all fell right now. From the sky. I'm too fucking lazy. I'm wearing my socks right now. Not even my shoes. That's styrofoam. But that's not. That's not. That's not. That's all falling from the sky right now. Oh god. Never a dull moment here in Minnesota.